Greetings from the Netherlands, where we are meeting today with Rogier Janssen from ICE International. Hello, Roger.
Hello, Jana.
Tell us about ICE International.
ICE International is a Dutch family business founded by my father in 1970. For 55 years, we fully specialize in bespoke handmade rugs and carpets. My brother Mark and I, we are the second generation expanding the business.
What projects are you involved with?
So we focus on luxury projects, so that ranges from hospitality, 5-star hotels, royal palaces, superyachts, private aviation, and many residential projects around the world. So that's what we do.
Roger, we are here to talk about Care and Fair programs. Would you be able to tell us more about what the program is?
So Care and Fair was founded in 1994, September 1994. In that time there was a big problem with child labor in India, Pakistan, and many people were talking about it, but then there were also people who wanted to act against it, who wanted to find a solution for it. And there was a group of dedicated people from the carpet industry who thought like the solution is in education and in women empowerment programs, and then of course as well health clinics. So what this group did, normally they were competing with each other, but now they forced their strengths, their contacts, and they decided to form this initiative, Care and Fair. And what Care and Fair does, simply, it's not simple because it takes a lot of time and energy, but it offers free medical health care, schooling and women empowerment programs today in India and Pakistan. And all people involved in the organization, in this initiative, are all from the carpet industry itself, and it's only the dedicated people who are making the difference. So it started in 1994, and today we're still very successful and active.
How many years has the school been running then? That was from the same year that you just mentioned?
Yeah, so we have, in total we have 18 projects, and we focus on India and Pakistan. And the 18 projects differ from schools to women empowerment programs to the healthcare clinics. We feel very proud to have our own school at ICE International, so it's a girls' high school.
How many students are there, do you know?
We have over 150 at the moment. So,
that is impressive.
Yeah, we feel very proud about it, and we're taking care of all expenses of this school. And this is not to show off, we just feel proud about supporting the work of the local heroes, and that's what we do.
I think it is wonderful to see just how you got closer to the local community.
Yeah, and the empowerment program is so important because it started to make every family member of value. So by empowering the women, by offering the free courses, they contribute to the family by making money as well. So they become vitally important for the family. So everyone gets equal, everyone is contributing, and it's not only for the financial but also for the self-esteem, because you're just really empowering everyone from the family.
You just managed to change the narrative a little bit.
That's
so
it.
You're giving them voice.
Yes, and from the start, it has always been the idea of the founders of Care and Fair to make a real difference, not only by creating a label or a certificate that everyone can purchase and put on their product, but by really making a difference by actually having projects and not just having the certificate. What makes us stand out is that all people from Care and Fair, from the organization, are traveling to India and Pakistan themselves, so we can actually see what's happening, we can control what's happening, and then we can further develop it. Care and Fair started because we want to show to our clients that we make the difference, but today you also need to show to the team that you make the difference, and they feel equally proud about what Care and Fair does as we do.
What is the most rewarding aspect of the Care and Fair program?
We regularly get photos from the projects, and when you see children with a big smile, I have 3 daughters myself, going to school every day, and if you see the same smile from those kids in India and Pakistan, and that they can build a future, that's all you need. That's all you need to see. And if you know that by doing business that you can give something back to the community, I think that's the best feeling you can have, because we make a small difference and we just feel proud to be part of it.
I'd like to argue that you make a big difference.
Thank you. Thank you.